Hey, Chelsea. Yeah, Ivy? Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have all the slime in the world? Or at least that we could carry together? Actually, no, I haven't wondered at all. Huh. Ugh. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yeah. Oh, now that we're seated, Chelsea, tell me what happened over there. Well, I was imagining that. No, it's happening again. Ouch. Ow. 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 Oh, I gotta stop trying to save you. See what happens when I do try? Anyway, back on topic. You were daydreaming about what? I'm listening. Well, I was daydreaming that our giant slimes. Whoa, you can make things move? That's totally awesome! Whoa, I heard you so loud, I heard an echo. Wow, thanks, Chelsea. Anyway, imagine what? What did you say, Chelsea? My daydream was that my daydream was that we had all this slime in the world, like you said before I started my daydream. Oh, that actually sounds awesome. Tell me more. That's just it. I was about to fly into that giant diamond over there. Whoa, it is kind of big, I suppose. Oh, it is super big. Ah! Oh, Chelsea, you gotta stop falling. You gotta. Hey. Well, I got a better idea. We could still get a big slime. Well, we could mix our slimes. That was my great idea. That is a great idea. You should. Totally. Bye. Where did she go? She always mysteriously disappears. Okay, I'm back now. Is this thing on? Ooh, okay, yeah. So let's mix them. Ah! We'll be right back, sports fans. We're not talking sports. Sorry. Just 6, you know? Yeah, well, me too. And I know better than that. Oh, they're watching us. Come on. Go. Whoa, we actually did it. We mixed our giant slimes. And it's extra fluffy now. I mean, at the beginning, they were fluffy anyway. Yeah, but now it's extra fluffy. And we're going to teach you how to make it crunchy. Because if you don't have any beads or like stuff that you put on necklaces or on bracelets or charms, we got just the thing. Yeah, sports fans, what did I tell you about doing that? Sorry, Ivy. We're talking pebbles. Rocks. Right, Ivy? Yep, we sure are. And now you just destroyed it. I'm gonna get you! He's gonna get me! I'm gonna get you! Hey, I spilled them. Spilled the beans. They are not beans, Chelsea! Even I know better than you know this. Oh, we're still filming. Oh, okay, we know better. Okay. We're gonna not fight no more, okay? Okay. Mom! 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 Oh, what? Oh, excuse me, we're gonna have a little conversation. Can you even see me? There we go. Okay, we're gonna have a little conversation, so we'll be right back. Okay, so listen up, Chelsea, Ivy. Since you, Chelsea, have been doing mostly all of the talking, your sister, anyways, I was saying your sister Ivy is gonna be the one holding up the slime and doing all the pictures, okay? Okay, Mommy, fine, I won't get mad. Thanks, Chelsea. No problem, I'll get my revenge. It sounds bad already. So, anyways, I was, just leave it there. We don't need it now. Anyways, I was saying we're going to be making, crunchy slime. If you don't have pebbles or, like, beads. Oh, did I have to say pebbles? Beads and stuff like that. Just use this. Rocks and pebbles. So we're just gonna mix this up really quickly. You might wanna, let me go adjust this thing. Anyway, you put in all the rocks like that. And then you're gonna fold it over. Oh, I might have to adjust it here too. Be right back. There. Yeah. Much better. And then when you squish it. Okay, that's enough talking, Ivy. What? Mom, did you say that? Chelsea? Nope, it was me. So, you gotta. Sorry, Ivy, it was me. Anyway, I'm gotta. This is crunchy slime. I'm made out of rocks. Oh, by the way, if you don't find rocks that you find on the dirt, because those will just make your slime dirty, as can be. Polished ones work best. Yes, they will fall, but that's only if, you know. Anyway, yeah, as I was saying, yeah, because, this stuff. Only if it's, like, old slime, it'll fall out. This slime's a little old. It just, like, we got it, forgot when, but, yeah, I totally hope you enjoyed this sort of fun-filled video. And yeah, ooh, look, diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond, diamond, diamond. Shine bright like a diamond, 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 diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. You and me like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond, diamond, diamond. Diamond. Whoa, that song is totally weird. Anyway, yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, I'm gonna put on the diamond song again because I pretty much like it. I guess that's the only thing I can say. So, yeah, let's put the song on. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond, 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 diamond. Shine bright like a diamond, 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 diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright, shine bright, shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. You and me like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond, diamond, diamond. Oh, okay. Yeah, that song is weird. I got the tune of it. You're gonna love this when you squish it. Special shout outs to Maria M. E. They get shout outs because they're subscribed to my channel, and they also get a giveaway that I'm giving out. I'm giving out my precious stones. Excuse me, I got a moment to cry, please. That's better. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm giving out these very beautiful rocks. This is an amethyst. That's my favorite. And I'm giving them out to y'all because y'all are subscribed to my channel. And I totally thank y'all for that because I'm a new youth. I need another moment to cry. Anyways, I was saying thank you so much because I'm a new YouTuber and making videos is like, I love making videos no matter how come I get no likes, shares. I only got 2 subscribers, so thanks for being great. Okay, I've got myself together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This goes to Maria M. These 6, 3. Yeah, this one, the amethyst, this one, and this one. This one, I like that one too. This one are going to Maria M. While these are going to E, which is also known as Eric. So, yeah, congratulations. And, yeah, pretty much, yeah, thanks, I guess. Thanks for being and watching my channel. Bye. And once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Over here, Ivy. Sorry. Bye. Bye. We also really enjoy making videos for you. So please hit that like, share. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. But mostly subscribe. Even I asked Google and she said She would subscribe to my channel, but she has no arms, so she's just a machine. So bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Love y'all. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you in the next video.